Realme GT 2 Pro. So first of all, this mobile comes with a 6.7 inches of bigger 2K resolution display, and it is a 10-bit color supported HDR 10 plus content supported display. By the way, this is also a flagship display which comes with the LTPO2 panel, which changes the refresh rate from 1Hz to 120Hz based on your content. And when we talk about the processor, this mobile comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is the highest end processor in the Snapdragon processor variants, and this is a 4nm based processor, octa-core gaming processor. And this processor comes with a lot of features, like it supports 8K 30fps also in a camera. And when we talk about the camera section here, this is the section where we have to take a deep look, because this mobile comes with triple camera setup at the back side. Those are humongous cameras. Yes, first of all, it comes with a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with OIS and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and it also comes with a fisheye view. And another camera, that is a 3 megapixels of third camera, that is not depth or not telescopic zoom camera, that is a microscopic zoom camera, so we can take very close-up shots with that camera. And this mobile also comes with 32 megapixels of front-facing selfie camera, which can be used to shoot up to 1080p 60 fps, not 4K. So that is the thing I disappointed in that section. And when we talk about the battery, this is the section which impressed me a lot, that this mobile comes with a 5000 milliamp of bigger cell, and it supports up to 65 watts of super dart charge. And the best thing is, this mobile comes with a TPU case and a cable, type C to type C cable, and a 65 watts dart charger included in the box with this mobile, which is missing in a lot of flagship mobiles these days, so that is a plus point. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile will be available in 3 variants. Those are 8GB RAM 128 base, 8GB RAM 256, and 12GB RAM 256. I thought there might be no 12GB RAM 512GB variant, because it's not comes in that variant, obviously. These are UFS 3.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5 RAM type, so we can expect a better gaming experience in this mobile, because this is a flagship mobile from Realme side. And the Realme is saying that this mobile is made out of material which is good for environment, not plastic one. And this mobile comes with some different kind of coating at the back side instead of glass or plastic, and for the front plastic, and the frame is aluminum steel frame. And when we talk about the other features of this mobile, that this mobile has 12 bands of antenna, so that means we can expect a great 5G quality. By the way, when we talk about the 5G, this mobile comes with 13 bands of 5G, so we can get better quality when we are gaming while holding the mobile like this, entirely covering the antennas, so we don't have any problem with that kind of holdings. This mobile runs on Android version 12 out of the box with Realme UI 3.0, so this is a plus point also. And by the way, this mobile doesn't comes with a 3.5mm jack, because it has a stereo speakers. And this mobile also comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner instead of ultrasonic one, which is you can find in a lot of high-end mobiles like iQOO 9 Pro and Samsung S22 Ultra. And when we talk about the colors, this mobile is available in 3 colors. I will use the colors in the description box down below with the buying link, so you can buy it directly from there. And by the way, this mobile was priced at 49,999 rupees, almost 50,000 rupees for the base variant. So I feel, it could be around 45,000 rupees is better. But anyways, this is the most affordable 8 Gen 1 mobile until now, which is released in the market until today. So these are the features of this mobile. If you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell also.